everyone, how are you all? So I'm good, and nowadays this lockdown is going on, and it's feeling like going on forever. So today in this video I'm going to share with you the three main things that is keeping me going on and keeping my sanity, that is helping me to keep my sanity. So there are many things like reading books and singing, listening to music and all this, exercise, doing exercise, but the three main things that is keeping my sanity, that I am going to share with you all in this video. So what are these three main things? Three things that are so important for me and that are keeping my sanity. So first is the learning. So the courses, so through which I am learning new things. Second is, what is the second thing is meditation and chanting. And third is Reiki. So one by one I'll be sharing with you about these things. I'm sure you people also have figured out what is working for you. So these three things worked for me. So going back to that March 27th, I think, I don't remember the exact date. So when that day, that Sunday, like midnight, after midnight, like Monday, lockdown is going to start. That was announced. Initially I didn't feel anything. Like after 1 or 2 days, that struck me. I went to panic mode. Not because that I have to be at home, because what's all going around, so the situation, and because of that I it was very new, like for everyone it is new. So I also went to panic mode. So then what happened, after 2-3 days this course was announced. So online course was announced. Luckily for me it was announced, and that it was like interesting subject for me. It was about facilitation, and I jumped into it. Like I wanted to like since so many years I wanted to do that, and luckily for me in that period only it was announced and I joined the course. So this was for like 2 weeks course. Every alternate day that course was going on. So I joined that course, and that changed. First step was like because of this first, it changed a lot for me. So I started looking forward to the course. I had this enthusiasm. I got diverted like to this course. So it started, and I started doing this course, and so one that I'm learning. And after the course was over, I was reflecting. I had so much to chew on, munch on, and so it helped me a lot. And after 1 week another refresher course started. So I joined that also, and these courses helped me a lot. And after this course was over, like next day second lockdown was extended, and again another course was announced. This was about self-directed learning. That also I wanted to do since long time. So I was fortunate enough that these courses which I wanted to do was announced, and I could do that. So still I am doing these courses, it's going on. So as I said, by doing this course there are many benefits. What benefits I got was, one was I was learning new things, and second I had something to think about. So that is that I had this personal growth, knowledge wise also I had this. So that was about it. First was the courses, and second is the meditation and chanting. So I have always been doing this meditation. So there is Isha Kriya. So I continued doing Isha Kriya, and now what was this shift, that is I focus more, and my intent was more clear. I wanted to have calmness. Along with this Isha Kriya, I started doing this mantra, that is chanting mantra, Yoga Yogeshwara, that was given by again Sadhguruji. So that also I started chanting, and it is so powerful, and I could sense. So after few days of starting doing this itself, I could sense that what changes I have been um, experiencing. So due to these like Isha Kriya and chanting, I got calmness, and I got sense of what's going on, and I could control. That is, it's not that like I was totally calm and all that. Like, yes, I was. It was affecting me. Whenever I saw headlines, I another thing I also ask you to do is that. So please don't watch like don't binge watch all the news that is being broadcasted everywhere. So I avoided it consciously. I avoided those news. So only like headlines, something like I wanted to get what is going on. So I wanted to be aware of that. I, of course, I saw it only headlines, that's all. So whenever I saw like the death rate and all those things, I again used to get you know panic, and this helped me. This meditation and chanting helped me a lot to put myself together. So that is second main thing that helped me. And the third thing is Reiki, of course. I have been like since 5-6 years, I think like 7 years I have been doing Reiki, but recently due to some things like, and maybe because of my negligence, I wasn't able to do it regularly. So when this started, I said like I have to do, because it is my saving grace, otherwise I will be like. So I started doing this Reiki again, and it was so amazing, and the experience, and still I remembered all the symbols and everything. So it was amazing feeling, and it also helped. So to help me cleanse it helped me cleansing the chakras, and also regain the energy, to keep my energy intact, and also to bring the clarity of thoughts. Reiki helped me, and especially Reiki and meditation helped me in giving that clarity. Otherwise all that thoughts and everything was scattered all over, and so I felt like I would burst. And it was, so I don't know like how I will explain. I'm loss of words. That like, because many of you must have experienced it, and maybe experiencing it now also. So it is not, you cannot explain how you are feeling. That it is not at all a good feeling. So finally, luckily for me, I got these three things going on for me. So for courses, then meditation and chanting, then Reiki, all these three things helped me in a lot way. So that was it. I thought I will share with you all, and maybe you also have some things which you are practicing, or which you are doing, that is keeping your sanity. So if you want, please share with me in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Till next video, bye bye. Please take care and stay safe and stay home. Thank you. Bye bye.